Humans have done a lot over the years to study and understand various planets like Mercury, Venus, Mars, Jupiter, and Saturn. However, beyond what they've discovered so far lies another planet waiting to be discovered. Welcome to Ace of Space. Let's take a scientific journey together across time and space and explore the universe. Your time is precious, so go ahead and watch this video at 1.5 times speed. And if you're new, consider subscribing and turning on notifications so you won't miss the next video. Located some 20 astronomical units from the Sun is the seventh planet from our Sun, Uranus. This is approximately 20 times the distance of the Earth from the Sun. Once every 84 years, Uranus orbits the Sun. That is, coincidentally, once during the average lifespan of a human. This orbit is what makes each season of Uranus last so long. That means if a human were to be living on Uranus, they would experience each of the 4 seasons once during their lifetime, with each season lasting 21 years. Uranus also has the coldest temperature in the entire solar system, partially because of its distance from the Sun. Sometimes, this temperature can be as low as -370 degrees Fahrenheit. This may also be as a result of the planet's composition. Its diameter is 4 times the diameter of the Earth, and its core is made up of iron and magnesium silicate. The remaining part of Uranus, which accounts for 80% of the planet, is made of oceans of icy water, ammonia, and methane, the chemical that gives the planet its cool blue appearance. It is this icy part of Uranus that makes it the planet with the lowest emission of heat, as well as the coldest planet in the solar system. Apart from its low temperature and orbit, Uranus also has a somewhat dramatic orientation. In a marked difference from other planets that spin on their axis, Uranus appears to roll along its equator. Normally, other planets' polar regions point upward and downward to the Sun, but Uranus tilts at a near right angle and has its polar regions point toward and away from the Sun. This strange tilt, which could be a result of Uranus's collision with another celestial body, has surely affected the orientation of its 13 rings and 27 known moons. These rings and moons orbit the planet vertically along its tilted equator, unlike most planets' moons and rings, which orbit their world horizontally. These unusual features of Uranus were a mystery to many accident researchers who actually thought the planet was a star. But toward the end of the 18th century, William Herschel, who was a researcher, discovered that this star-like celestial body was an actual planet. Naming this planet caused a lot of debate within the scientific community, until a name that was suggested by astronomer Johann Allard Bode was eventually chosen. He postulated that if Jupiter was the father of the gods, and Saturn was the father of Jupiter, then it is only ideal that the new planet is Selous, the father of Saturn. Although he opted for the Greek equivalent of Selous, which was Uranus. He didn't want to name the planet by following the names from Roman religion. Eventually, Uranus, which was the name of the ancient Greek god of heavens, was then Latinized to be Uranus. Up until now, Uranus is the only planet that is not named following the name of a Roman god, but a Greek god. This is not surprising, since the planet literally stands apart from the rest. So, what did you think of this short explanation about the discoveries on Uranus? Share any insights in the comments section below. We really enjoyed researching it and condensing it into a short video. If you enjoyed this, show us some love by giving us a thumbs up and also checking out our next video in the upper right corner. And remember to subscribe. Thanks for watching.